today I am taking some inspiration from the 1997 film Anastasia. So Meg Ryan starred in Anastasia 1997 and it was released by 20th Century Fox, right? And I believe Disney just acquired said film entity, so Anastasia's now a Disney princess, which is good and fitting as she is one of the very best princess songs of all time. Okay, so to get started, we're gonna do a little bit of princess hair, okay? And Anastasia actually has kind of like a floofy thing going on. It was always hard to emulate because it was kind of short. So I'm just gonna put my hair over. I'm not going for Glamstasia. I'm going for Peasant Anastasia at the beginning of the film right now. So we're just gonna take out some front hair. So mind you, Anastasia, or Anya as she's known in the beginning of the film, does not have a lot going for her. She's just left the orphanage because she's aged out. So she doesn't have anything but the coat on her back, the scarf around her neck, and the hat on her head, and hair, I guess. It just has this locket, so that's kind of cool, isn't it? Locket. I'm just gonna put a nice little ponytail up here. I'm gonna do the thing where we twist it around, because I had an Anastasia Barbie and that's how she did her hair. It's a strand twisted around a ponytail, okay? And just tuck it in nicely. And the grabby old bobby pin to hold it in place. And my hair is longer than Anya's, but she had it just kind of dangling. But you know, to make it look less crazy, we're just gonna tuck it and pin it right here. So what do you do in Calgary when the winter is never ending? Well, your hair and makeup, of course. What else are you gonna do? Oh wait, hold on, honey. I believe all our hair goes on one side. Oh well, whatever. We're just gonna keep going like this. Alright. So it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna put a hat on for this look, but that's fine, we're good. This is what I call a good start. Now today I'm using the Anastasia Subculture palette to do my Anastasia makeup because I mean it just seems appropriate to me, and Subculture because I mean, I don't know, browns and yellows. Subculture to the rescue! Boop, boop, boop. Before we get going on that, we add a little bit of primer. I'm going to put on my Benefit primer sample for just like a base to cover my face. That rhymed. Okay, so I've got some nice basic eyes and some nice basic skin. What we need now is some nice basic brows, Anastasia style. This is the ColourPop brow pencil. I use it all the time. It's wonderful. And of course, Anastasia in the movie has the most beautiful Archie kind of dark brows. Not like Archie comics, like Archie brows. So we're gonna go for it, and I'm gonna regret this. We're going to start with this, and then we're gonna go in with some other stuff. Okay. We're gonna go darker than normal because she's brown hair and I have blonde hair, so we want to pull out the brownness in my hair if we can. Okay. Oh dear. Alright, so that's pretty arched. I'm going to add a little bit of the darkest color from my contour kit just to see if I can play like I'm a bit more of a brunette than I am. Okay, so we're just gonna okay. Alright, I'm gonna brush that in with the spoolie. Spoolie. Now she's a cartoon character, so my brows don't need to be super soft, but I also don't want to look crazy, so we're softening them a little bit. Yeah, we'll go with that. And Anastasia, of course, has a mad contour going on because she does. So we're gonna do a little mad contouring. Oops. Always have makeup wipes available in case you do what I just did. Oh, jeepers.
Good night.
Just doing a little bit of cowboy contouring here. I missed the mark so bad today. Oh my gosh. Oh well. We're just gonna keep on keeping on, right? And take the straight and narrow path. And if you start to slide, give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. Now to look like Anastasia, I need a little brown and a little dawn and a little bit of, it's hard to say. We're gonna go dawn and fudge and maybe a little bit of that. A little bit of new wave. No sparkles though, because she was not in a seriously sparkly situation. She had mad winged liner though, so we're gonna have to work that in somehow. So we're gonna start with a nice fluffy all over situation. We're gonna go in with dawn just everywhere. Oh, I made a dusty mess. Remember, gentle with your Subculture palette. It's just a dusty, powdery situation. You have to be gentle. Okay, don't be a cowboy, right? Don't care how cold it is where you are. You just need to be gentle. Gentle. See, that was gentle. It took no effort. You just placed it in there. You're good. Beautiful. Right now we're going in with a little bit of the old fudge. Fudge. We're going nice and gentle. Oh gosh. Why is my life like this? Okay, we're gonna go dust. Come on, fudge. Don't let me down. I've already embarrassed myself so much. Oh, Anastasia saving the day once again with your beautiful blend of stuff. How did you do? Never mind this part here. Okay. Turn to... Damn it! That was going wabbit! Okay, blending. Blend. Little more. We're getting somewhere, woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna add new wave now. Just, because before I commit to a completely brown look, I'm just gonna add a bit of this. Okay, and now we're going to take a lovely Marc Jacobs smudge brush, and we're going to take fudge, and we're going to line the upper lash line, sorry. Line the upper lash line and the lower lash line for our lovely Anastasia look. Okay, Violet, you're not Sean Connery, don't talk like that. How do you know I'm not Sean Connery? Your birth certificate? Why are you talking right now? Why? I'm always talking when I do my makeup. That's why I usually take over the audio. Oh well. It's probably a good choice. Just of course it is. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to take my blending. It's still got a little yellow on it, so it's going to blend pretty nice. Oh boy. Okay, so this is where it gets really annoying. Okay, so I have to get rid of the fallout. Ugh. Alright, then. Okay, Anastasia has the most amazing winged eyeliner. So, this is where it all falls apart, ladies and gentlemen, too. I have some concerns. Her liner is winged on the top and the bottom, so we have to figure this out, okay? The double wings. Okay. Now we have to go in with some mascara because princesses all have to wear their mascara. Here we go, mascara. Go, go, go. Good news is she doesn't wear mascara on her lower lash line. She's my kind of gal. She's my makeup inspo. I love you, Anastasia. Okay, we got mascara. We got eyeshadow. For our lips, we're going to go... Her lips are pretty much nude. Lip balm, because we just want our lips to be slightly shiny. We don't want anything crazy. I don't want to change the color. Voila! To complete the transformation, we have a scarf, which she wears open like this. We have a trench coat. Mine isn't green, but you know, St. Petersburg is very cold this time of year. Is it as cold as Calgary today? And of course we have a great big hat. Right. What do you think? Do I look like Princess Anastasia Romanov as according to 20th Century Fox movie? This is my look. How do I look? I don't have a trusty puppy pet to play with, so this is not complete. What? Right, we're gonna need some blush, I think. I think I'm lacking in the blush department, so we're just going to take a step back in time and put on our little blush. Yes, blush. Does anyone else know this song? Once upon a December. That's it. That's all. I'm done. Do I look like a Romanov? Or is the Roganov? I don't know. All I know is I have a big mess to clean up. Okay.